You're managing accounting with QuickBooks, but organizing projects with Asana. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. Match. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new QuickBooks invoice is created, create a follow-up task in Asana automatically. Or every time an Asana task is completed, trigger invoice generation in QuickBooks. Or even, when you add a customer in QuickBooks, create their onboarding tasks in Asana. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Asana, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.